Hi, and welcome to my video channel. For you that don't know me, it's Queen Thundercat Yui, and this is Eat With Us. Now, when I cook, I always have, like, you know, my glass of wine, liquor, or in this case, my glass of wine. So I'm about to pour my wine in here. Nothing expensive. Today, I'm making, my husband wants me to make this corned beef brisket. Before I made, Chinese spare ribs. Tips for him. And he wanted me to do a corned beef brisket the same way I did the Chinese spare ribs, you know, with the marinade, with the sauce and stuff. Usually, I'll soak the meat. I'm doing the Chinese spare ribs or the sauce, the marinade. I'll soak the meat in it for at least 24 hours or at least a couple of hours or so in the fridge. Not really a timer person, so bear with me. I do things by I don't really measure it, and I do it by I'm constantly tasting my food, my sauces, and stuff like that as I'm going. Right now, let me show you. This is a flat piece corned beef biscuit. And I'm an Android person, so don't make fun of me. I'm not an iPhone person. So I got my meat soaking. I like to clean my meat with lemon or lime, and I also like to put it like in a you know, I clean it with either white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. And today I got a new knife set, real knives, because for you, it's a long story of what I've been through, what we've been through as a family. So I had a lot of cheap wannabe knives, you know, from like Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, really Dollar Tree. So I got a new knife set, and they're so pretty. I got them from Walmart, and they're very, very sharp. And these knives that I got are by... What's that on your wrist? I'm calling to stand the weird. Time and Table. I'm Harlem all the way, and I realized that these knives were designed by Time and Table in New York City. So I feel good about myself that I supported my city. Okay, so right now I'm about to do the sauce, marinade, you know, whatever you prefer to call it. But I'm about to make this barbecue sauce. Oh, and we're smoking the brisket on a smoker. And I do have a bad habit. I smoke cigarettes, so I'm about to pause you for a second while I go take a couple of pulls. Okay, and wash my hands. And yes, I do this even, you know, with my family. I always gotta play my music in the background and stuff. Usually I'll have a video or whatever. So that was my little brat. One of the minions. Puppy. Okay. So okay, so to make the rib sauce, I try not to. I cook from scratch. You know, I try not to use powdered, pre-powdered stuff and all of that stuff. I'll actually make my own seasonings and stuff like that. But today, I have my garlic that I'm gonna chop up for the sauce. I'm gonna get. I use a speaker as a stool because I'm short. So, add my white pepper. I got some dried thyme, crushed thyme. Hold on. I'm not used to telling people my recipes, so bear with me. Okay, so that will drop my wrong thing. My MSG, you don't have to use MSG if you don't want to. I like my smoked paprika. Salt is optional, being that corned beef brisket is already basically salty. And I don't boil my meat. Depends on if I'm making it stovetop, you know, when I make the cabbage for St. Patrick's Day and stuff. I don't really even soak it. I just cook it, boil it, bake it as is. Today we're doing it on a smoker, and I'm gonna treat my meat the same like I always do. Pause. My husband about to be mad because he's gonna have to go to the store. Because I need the ginger. I don't have any fresh ginger, and I don't have a powder backup ginger. So yeah, he's gonna have to go to the store. Got my 5 spice. This is very, 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 very important ingredient. My 5 spice. I got my scallions over there. I don't really use onions too much. If I do, it'll be the white or purple. But I'm gonna chop those up. I'll show you that later. And I usually don't write my recipes down, but my husband is assistant. He wants me to get my cooking out there and finally get my Korean cooking and everything popped off. So, okay. So I have my soy sauce. This is aged. Got this from the International Asian Market. That's aged soy sauce. Soy sauce. That means soy sauce, right? Also, you would use light soy sauce. I'm not gonna use too much of the aged soy sauce because, like I said, this is already pre-seasoned. Actually, I don't have any light soy sauce, so I'm gonna do it how I've been doing it. You know, because corned beef brisket is cured in salt, so it's salty. I have grilled Chinese sesame oil. Of course, gotta get the oyster sauce. Nice thick oyster sauce. I got my brown sugar. And my honey. This is raw honey, pure, natural, with the cone in it, the hive in it, or whatever you call it, the cone. Now you can use Chinese white cooking wine. Let me get that out. I have that somewhere in here. Rice wine. I'm getting all my gadgets together soon. All the stuff I need. Some people like sherry. You can use that if you want to. I use Chinese white cooking wine, and I also use rice wine vinegar. And you also can use rose wine. That is something that I don't have with my next trip to the fresh market. I will be getting that also. Okay? So, that's it. Oh, the rice wine. Bam. Okay. And I want a little kick to mine, so I'm using fresh handmade chili pepper, garlic chili, Chinese garlic chili pepper. I gotta get my Hussein sauce. Definitely important. Okay? I think that's about it for that. I'll be right back. I'm gonna pause for a second. No, I didn't get the. Well, then I'll just use this coriander. Fresh grounded coriander. Okay. I hope y'all can hear me good. So let me pause you for a second, because I'm about to tell him to go to the store. Could you do me a huge favor? Could you go to the store and he did not tell you? He just walked all the way to the store with the door, but I ain't get my stuff out until now. And I didn't realize I'm out of fresh ginger and I ain't got no powdered ginger. But I need my gingers. Thank you so much. This is why I love him. He's such an ugly gentleman. Oh, what? What you said? Okay, so let's get this party started, right? This is only about a 4-pound. He's going to get one thing Ginger talking about. Text him and chow cheese. I'm going to attempt to use some measuring cups. Because that's such a small brisket, which is a little bit of meat, pause. I'm gonna use oh, also, I am gonna use a little bit of cornstarch when I boil, after I take the sauce, the meat out from the marinade. Oh, I did tell you I had a new gadget. Let me tell you about that. I got a vacuum sealer. Yes. So what I'm gonna do, so I don't have to wait, I'm gonna vacuum seal this bad boy inside the marinade and put it in the refrigerator. The vacuum seal was so that I can only do it for like, it'll pick up the flavoring and stuff. Quick, fast. I ain't have to do it for so many hours or whatever. But being that we just got the smoker and it's still in the box because he didn't put it together, and usually I used to do stuff by myself. Till I met him. 6 years strong. I'm gonna put it in there and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and I'm gonna show y'all that too.
Marketing ad. Follow us.
Oh, come on now,
follow us.
You're knocking.
Our first video is being uploaded right now on our YouTube page. Eat with us. Follow that, y'all.
Everywhere.
Okay.
What list?
I need to know what you want.
I just asked for. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. You done came. Messed up my whole. I did. I showed him my new knives, and it's very sharp. Be careful. Look, he almost cut himself.
I always cut myself. Look at his face.
Yeah, he do. That's why he needs to stay out in the kitchen.
I know, but now it's
come on now, no.
That beautiful face of yours.
Cause let me move.
All right, but you gotta tell me what you want.
But all right, look.
No, I don't want to remember. I would like for you to just write it down or something.
All right, here, so you can go. Cause he just made me get something else. I am ready. Here.